Hello. Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, says one of the best things you can do is form a mastermind alliance. You meet a group of people, like-minded souls, who work together in perfect harmony towards a common goal. And that's a beautiful thing. Now, one of the best ways of doing this today is, unfortunately, with Facebook. And I'm going to show you how to create a group. And then with the group, how to create events, and then you can share those events in other groups in your geographical location, so you can meet people who are like-minded, with whom you can work together towards a common goal. And this is the best way of doing it. Unfortunately, Meetup.com seems to charge for this these days, but that's another alternative. But here's the video how to do it on Facebook. So this is a video about creating an event on Facebook, but what I'm going to do first is to create a group so I could then create the event within the group. So we'll go to Facebook now and we'll go to my groups, and here is create new group. So we want it public. Yeah, so let's first things first, let's give it a name and create. And of course we want to edit here and upload photo and get the photo we created at Canva. Save changes. Okay, hopefully that's going to be okay. So we've done the group. So now we go to events and create event. And it's a in-person event, of course, and the name isn't going to change. And we'll choose the date and time, and of course you can invite people that you know and people you've invited into the group. And then we go next, and location, and next, and I'll paste this from elsewhere. Okay, there's the description, and here's a new cover photo. There's the cover photo with the new event, and usually I'll check that, invite all the members of the group, but there aren't any members yet, and create the event. So the purpose of this now is that I can share that event on my Facebook page, on other groups, and I don't have to create a new event on other people's groups, which would be very annoying. So I hope that helped. My name's Rob Cubbon. I'll see you in another video.